what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So tell me I'm not the only one who will buy a tool because it's a good deal with good intentions to use it and then let it sit in the box for 3-4 months. Am I the only one? No? Okay. Well, today is the day that we will unpack this beast. It is the 13-inch DeWalt Planer. Let's unbox it, put it together, and see how it goes. Alright, we've got our main component, the instructions, the in-feed and out-feed, dust port, and looks like a handle. And then a extra set of blades. It's heavy. Alright, I accidentally recorded this part on a time lapse, so it didn't hear anything. So it comes with this right here to help you put on your handle, which helps raise and lower this gauge right here, which is going to tell you the thickness that you are at. We've got our on and off button. We have this material removal gauge, and depending on what size your board is, you can adjust to take off certain depths at a time. We've got a 2-speed, a finishing speed, which is slower, and a dimensioning speed. And then we have our kind of a stop gauge right here, which is going to make sure that if you are running multiple pieces through, that you are landing on the same dimension, so they are all the same. The in-feed and out-feed tables were super easy to put on because they were spring-loaded right here, up here. So those attached really easily. And then the dust port also attached super easily. And that is pretty much the only setup that was required. And I really enjoy it. The speed, you're supposed to only change the speed while it's running. And other than that, that pretty much sums up the setup. Right, so my material is 3/4 inches, so I'm going to set my stop at 1/2 inch. I definitely don't want it to be any thinner than 1/2 inch, although hopefully I don't even have to go that far. I'm going to keep it on the finishing speed. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to lower the gauge. First, I am going to go ahead and insert my piece of wood. Make sure that's level. Once I get this leveled out, I am going to bring that over there down to around the 3/4 and until my gauge goes up. I'm going to take off an 1/8 inch at a time for right now. And actually, I don't even know if I'll do that much. Meh. The width is, yeah, so 332 because it's probably about 5 inches. So 332 is what we will do. All right, let's turn it on. Hey you guys, FYI, you might want to hook up your dust collection, because, yeah, that's a mess. On the positive note, the wood looks beautiful. Let's take a look. All right. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Oh yeah. There is still lots of chips on that, but oh man. Oh, that looks good. So let me show you, just for comparison. Oh, here we go. Because this is what it looked like before, and that's what it looks like now. I didn't cut it down either. That is beautiful. I'm gonna hook up the dust collection, and this is my new toy. All right, and there it is, you guys. I appreciate the support. If you like this kind of content, please comment, like, and subscribe. It is always fun to get a new tool. Let me know if you have a planer and how you use it, and we will catch you next time.